then no need to use. So here,
You mean which scan? The wire?
so normally you have label on the wire. So you have all the information in that pouch in the label. So if you want the function that machine supports, but currently you don't see a scanner here, like a supermarket, you buy something scan. Okay, so this machine supports that function. And if you don't need that function, it's like daily use, you only need the
It's like a test.
It's like an inspection, quality check.
It's like a
Yes. Yes.
It's like a safe.
It's CFM it's like 100% quality check, but it's extra cost. And this one maybe can check 85%. 85%.
This is good.